In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove the Powered by Webflow branding from your site. This process involves adjusting settings within your Webflow dashboard to customize your website's appearance. Start by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you should see a list of your projects. Make sure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, locate the site from which you want to remove the branding. Look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the Options menu, next to your site name. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options related to your project. After revealing the Options menu, you will see a selection labeled Settings. Click on Settings to access the site-specific settings. This will take you to a new page where various options for your site are displayed. Next, find and click on the section titled Webflow Branding. This section allows you to manage the visibility of the Webflow branding on your published site. Clicking this will open the relevant settings for the branding. Within the Webflow branding section, look for the option that says Display Made in Webflow Badge. This toggle allows you to control whether the branding is visible on your site. Click on the toggle to disable this feature. You should see a visual indication that the toggle has been switched off. After disabling the branding, a message may appear indicating that to completely hide Webflow branding from the published site, you will need to upgrade to a paid site plan. Consider this information carefully, as it may affect your decision on managing your site branding. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.